Hi, I got this in a package in the mail today. Okay. I was surprised. I don't think I ordered anything, but then again, who knows with me. Scooter, you talking? You want people to know you're around? So let's check this out. Let's investigate this situation. Yeah. Might get it open, might not. What is it? I got 2 Disney movies, okay. One's called The Little Mermaid Ariel Beginnings and The Little Mermaid Part 2. And it's all together, and it's Blu-ray DVD combo pack. And Disney Movies The Plane. And I've seen these 2 because I'm a Disney fanatic, but I've never seen Planes. But I'm assuming that the Planes is like cars except for airplanes. Okay, I don't know if it's part 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. I'm not sure because I'm not following the Cars series. But it's on. This one is Blu-ray, DVD, and digital, and this one's Blu-ray, includes Blu-ray plus DVD. Okay. So that would be, see, and this is what I got today. The other day, I got Monsters University 1 and Monsters University when they go to college. What's it called, Harvey?
Monsters, Inc. and Monsters University.
Yeah. Monsters, Inc. and Monsters University. So this is what I got today. And so this is very exciting. So, okay. Talk to you later. It'll be movie night for me. Bye-bye. And I'll have pizza with this tonight, so bye-bye.